Hey, so if Google Keep is not working, yeah, like it won't open, keeps crashing, or notes won't load, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, Google Keep needs a proper connection to load your notes and sync data. Next, yeah, close the app completely and reopen it. I mean, this fixes most temporary glitches instantly. Now, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. I mean, wrong account can make it look like Keep is not working. Yeah, corrupted cache can break the app. Clearing cache and app data often fixes loading and crash issues. Now, an outdated version can cause bugs or crashes. Make sure Google Keep is fully updated. Yeah, low storage can stop apps from working properly. Make sure you have enough free space. Now, battery saver mode can restrict background processes. Turn it off if Keep is not responding. Yeah, if nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Google Keep. I mean, this fixes corrupted app files completely. If it still doesn't work, the issue might be on Google's side. I mean, server downtime can affect Keep too. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Keep not working issues. Most of the time, it's cache, account, or app problems. Try these steps and it should work again. Thanks for watching.